Hey guys, this is Thumbtack. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a phone number on Thumbtack. If you don't have a Thumbtack account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile name at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile name. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Profile. On this page, you will see an option for Account Settings. Click on Account Settings. Under Account, you will see a section for Phone Number. Click on Phone Number. On this page, you will see a section for Phone. Now, enter the phone number you wish to use on the blank field provided. After entering, click on the Save button. That's how you add a phone number on Thumbtack. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.